What we call the welcome slide is the front cover of your Preso, showing all of your client, advisor, practice and licensee information. Your practice admin can customize this background image and your brand colors seen here for your practice using Preso Manager in the app. All the text on this introductory slide can also be customized for your practice in Preso Manager. Your practice's brand color is automatically used here and throughout the Preso. We start with what matters most to your clients to highlight that the rest of this document is goals-based advice. The current valuation slide gives an at-a-glance overview for your client, partner and any related entities. This is a great example of how, wherever possible, your slides will start with a high-level story to make it easy for your clients to digest and understand, but will also make all the granular detail available for when it's required. If you or your client want to view more detail, it's right there. Moving on to asset allocation, you and your clients have a lot of choices to what you want to see and how you want to view it. You can go super visual with a big chart only, focus on the line items in a table format, or opt for both. Once again, the portfolio data starts broad, allows you to interact, and makes it easy to zoom in for a closer view. Your client's insurance policies are pulled through from Risk Researcher for a simple view of how they're covered, but all the detail is there yet again at your fingertips. And videos are even sewn into the slide to help educate your clients. To help your clients understand the importance of each type of insurance, you can include this simple interactive quiz in your Preso. Given that LivePreso tracks how much time you and your clients spend on every slide, the quiz and its educational videos are great for compliance purposes. This slide is an optional signpost for perhaps the more formal ROA section of the Preso. This is not a built-in slide, but an example of how the formalities can be covered for your group or practice by making a simple slide from one of our templates. Your clients' risk profiles and their related asset allocations are displayed as a comparison point for the subsequent slides. This is similar to the asset allocation slide we saw earlier, but this one lets you make comparisons between your client's current, proposed and target situations. As usual, you can also choose between tabular and chart views. Any investment, rebalancing or recommendations are shown here, and the slide also includes a simple but powerful interactive element. During your meeting, if your client agrees to the recommendations, you can click the Implement Changes button, which will automatically add an action to the Next Steps slide at the end of the Preso. The Estimated Capital Gains and Losses slide is one of the few we can't completely automate, as the data is not available from Xplan. However, we've made it as easy as possible for you. Your client's investments, accounts and holdings are automatically displayed, and all you need to do is input the gains and losses where relevant. When you preview, present or share this slide, any rows with no gains or losses will be omitted. On this slide, investment fees are fetched and displayed from your chosen Wealth Solver scenario. We round out the portfolio content with visualizations of a variety of projections and timeframe options. The familiar at-a-glance view is used again here to show your client's estate planning status, with further detail only a click away. This is another example of how the formalities can be covered for your group or practice by making a simple slide from one of our templates. If you click the button earlier in your meeting to implement portfolio changes, you'll see this action automatically entered here for you. But you can capture any other actions with your client right here and commit to timeframes for them. Your automated interactive Preso concludes with a thank you slide.